permutations. Let's have a little glimpse to what is permutation, definitions of permutation. Permutation means n number of things and things, number of different things, that means of different variety, taken R means the placements of R means the filling up of n at the R random at a time when the object do not repeat. So here the objects do not repeat, but in a combination sometimes it repeats. But the number of succession means one after another how much it is being filled up. We will fill up in the box of n plus minus 1 n minus 2 into n minus r minus 1. That means first we will fill up in the n, next we will fill up into the n minus 1. That means it goes on decreasing. Sometimes it can be known as the cyclic, means where we started it goes on additions and subtraction and it leads to its own original points. Now these permutations we denote by a sign that is called the factorial or factor naught, or it may be by these symbols. What does it mean? Say 1 factorial means 1, 2 factorial means 2 into 1, that means it goes on reducing. 3 factorials means 3 into 1. That means provided, that is 3 is provided that it is to be repeated. So here 3 into 2 into 1. Just like this, the formula where goes on reducing via next succession numbers. N factorials we can write n into n minus 1, or if demanded, if there is a demand by the equations, then we can write n into n minus 1, n minus 2, where provided that n is greater or equal to 2. That means if the number of things which has to be permutated, if it is greater than or equal to 2, then we will go to these successions. If it is greater or equal to 3, then we will go these successions. I hope you will understand. So let's see one examples of the permutations. Let's see some examples of the permutations. That means first question is evaluate the 4 factorial 4. That is, I think everybody can do. That is 4 into 2 in, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Means provided, that is n factorial provided there is a 4 factors, then here n is equal to 3. That means 2, 3, 4. That is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, like that. Provided, then it can be n minus 4, provided. But if we go on minus 4, then it becomes 0. That means or it becomes a 0, then there cannot be any permutations. So here what we will do is we will go on multiplication. 4, 3, 12, 12 to 24, 24 into 1, 24. The answer is 24. In this way we can solve the other questions also. Another one is, what is in the, that is factorial. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 420. That is 5, 4, 20. 20 into 3 is 60. 60 into 2, 120. Another one is, here it is given factorial 7 by factorial 6. Here also we can write factorial 6 means what? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or you can write like this also. 5 factorial 6. When you cancel, it remains only 7. So here also same like that. When go on cancellations, we get only 7. Next we will see. Here it is given find n. So here the 7 permutations. 7 permutations 7. Means what will be the answer? Here we get some formula, that is npn. We have a formula that is npn. That is, say this one is n, this one also n. npn is equal to factorial n. Factorial n we can write whatever is one will be. Factorial n, that is factorial 7. So factorial 7 means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now we will see the next question, that is find the and if. In the first video I wrote little about find the and if. Since the solution is long, so I tried to show you in the next video. That is find the n of the equation n p2 by equal to 110. Now n means factorial and p2 means n minus 2. That means the condition given is of the r is provided that r is greater or equal to 2. That means n minus 2 is equal to 110. Now when since the demand is of the succession demand is n minus 2, so the factorial n I have extended up to n minus 2. By n minus 2 it is cancelled, so it remains n into n minus 1 is equal to 110. Now by cross multiplication, n square minus n is equal to 110. So transforming 110 to the left hand side, we get n square minus into n. Now after factorizing, we get n square is equal plus 10 n minus 11 n is equal to 110. Implies n is equal to n plus 10 minus 11. I have taken the common of the two terms, another two terms. This is the parental sign is a minus. So from there common is n. That means n. The operation between these two is the plus. So after taking out the n common, what is remains only 10. The parental sign is minus. So from here also 11 common taken out, then remaining n into 10. Now either I have to find out the value of n. That means taking out the common from these two, n plus 10 is equal to 0 or n minus 11 is equal to 0. Now n is equal to minus 10 or n is equal to 11. Therefore the required n is taking the positive side, that is n is equal to 11. I hope you have understand. Thank you. We will be giving you some of the homeworks on exercise 5a. The questions are: number 1, evaluate. You have to do 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 11. And number 2, find and if from question number 1 to 6. And question number 3, express 1 dot 3 dot 5 dot twice n minus 1 by factorial n as a fraction whose numerator is factorial twice n. And the remaining question, that is 4, 5, 6, 7 onwards. You try at home. The remaining answer, if so, I will save you in the mind.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.